What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a portrait illustration of Metal Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with a circle for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, come all the way around, and then back up. Now we want to draw the top edge of the muzzle on top of the nose. So starting on the left, going up, across, and then back down. Let's round this out, coming down and then up towards the cheeks. Now I want to add a curve for the edge of those bolts. Let's start on the left side, bend this in and back out towards the side. And then from the top and bottom, draw a short line going out. Draw that same curve along the outside. Let's go back up to the top. It's going to round out the side of the bolt and pull that back in towards the bottom. And we're just going to close out the bottom of the head, starting on the left, coming down, across, and then up. Now from here, we're going to draw the outside edge of the eyes. Let's start on top of this bolt. I'm going to bend this out, up, and then in. Just going to bring that up towards the same height on the right. Now from the top, we're going to draw the edge of the eyelid. We're going to step out, bend this in, come down, then bend that in towards the center, bend this out and up, and then bend that out across the top of the eye. Now you want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a half oval. We're going to come down, around, and then up. Line that up on the right side. Let's trace that along the inside. I'm going to fill the center of the pupils in black. We also want to fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around the pupils. Now we're going to go back up to that bolt. We're just going to round out the cheek. We're going to go up and out, around, and then back in towards the side. Now on the outside, we're going to draw that first extension coming down across the cheek. So from the top of the eye, we're going to step over, come down. Just going to bend that in towards the cheek, and then in towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down, bend that in towards the cheek, and then in towards the same height. Let's flatten off the bottom with a straight line going out. I just want to taper this so it gets narrower as it comes up toward the top. I'm just going to stop up to right about there. Let's go back to the bottom corner. I'm just going to angle this up and then out. Bend this up and then curve that in towards the head. Now I'm going to layer the second extension in behind along the side. It's going to go up and then in. And we'll close off the top of the head with a curve. We'll go up in the middle and then bring that down towards the right. Let's add a trim across the bottom. We're going to step up, draw a straight line going across on both sides. And we're going to follow this angled line along the outside of that extension. Let's layer two extensions underneath the head. So we're going to start with a straight line coming down, bend this out and then up. Now step up towards the top and add a trim coming in and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of metal knuckles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.